Giant. And the Oficina has the name Giant. And I said, why? Because he's not giant, he's a little person. And he says he was like a sarcasm because he was so tiny, and they were like, let's go Giant, and became Giant. And he's not giant at all. That's funny.
I love dogs. Man, I want to get a dog. Oh, look at it. Did you see that?
I see.
Oh, good. Right.
É bem duro, né? Às vezes.
É, por causa da mola deles.
It's yeah.
Okay, you have a new friend. You have a new friend.
I want a dog so bad. Please, Elsie, let me get a dog. We'll rescue a cute little dog.
You can have it.
It's actually me that keeps oscillating back and forth,
Yes.
because
I say
dogs are a big responsibility, just like children. You know, something happens, you gotta take them to the vet and what have you. So we're on the way to Elsie's family farm for the weekend, and we just stopped by a roadside diner kind of place that specializes in making chicken sort of appetizer kind of dishes, something that we can eat while we're driving. It's like an hour's drive away. So Elsie just jumped out of the car to buy some, and we're going to eat them and share them with you so you have an idea of what a Brazilian chicken snack looks like. That looks amazingly delicious, Elsie. We're sitting in the combi, and this is what we're looking at. Hi there. It's good. Hey, Elsie.
yeah.
That food was delicious.
Yes.
Really, really good. Whoa, folks. The driver's side wiper is broken, and it's raining. And we're off to the grocery store. We're just gonna have to improvise. And it's all good. It's all good. Yeah, it's all good.
You're gonna scratch the, don't do that.
Yeah, don't do that, right?
No.
Okay. I thought we were going to go somewhere close by, Elsie.
Somewhere.
I'll take my shirt off and just wipe it, and I'll drive topless. Imagine that visual. God forbid somebody pulls me over. They're going to arrest me just for being out of shape. It's okay. It's okay. Look, people pay $500, $600, $800 a month in car payments. The little fixes that we're having to do for the combi is nothing even remotely close. So people in Brazil are very friendly, and let me give you an example. We just pumped some gas, and here in Brazil they pump it for you. You just have to sit in the car. And when the guy realized that the driver's side windshield wiper is not working, he said, hang on, let me try to do a fix for you. So he's running around looking for a black electrical tape or something for us that we can sort of jimmy the thing together to get us to the grocery store and then back home. So folks, this is Brazil for you. Look how amazing people are here in Brazil.
In half a mile, turn right onto Avenida Maitama.
So Elsie and I are at this fabric store in the artist market in Ilhéus, and the fabrics are just amazing. And I've been thinking of covering up the plastic on the cushions that we've got in the back of the combi that we normally sleep on, so that we don't have to put out bed sheets and things like that. And these thick fabrics, known as khadar, back in Afghanistan, Pakistan, India, that part of the world that I'm from, is known as khadar. It's breathable fabric. It's very durable, and it's good to lay on. So that's what we're looking for. So I'm kind of honing in on this orange, and Elsie likes it too. Okay, look how beautiful this fabric is. You can see through it, it's breathable, it's very dense. And Elsie likes it too! And this is the shop owner. Oi!
This is your portion, and I will give you just because I love you.
Just because you love me?
It's impossible to resist. And if you didn't show up right now, I was gonna eat everything.
This thing?
Yes, it's so good.
Okay, let's give it a shot. Oh. Really good. What's it called?
This is cocada de cacau.
Can I have another cocada de cacau?
Disse que ele queria outra, você me dá outra.
It's really good, really good, really.
Told you. Not one more, just one? No, are you sure? Okay.
To that, I drink. And that's the crime wave in Ilhéus.
No.
Quatro pessoas morreram em Ilhéus hoje.
Ele ouviu a bomba estourando, ele falou: 4 pessoas morreram hoje em Ilhéus.
It's muito perigoso in Ilhéus. No, I'm only joking, guys. Ilhéus is a beautiful place in Bahia, Brazil. Oi! Oi! Muito perigoso. No, this is firecrackers. They're celebrating something. Good. Saúde, Ilhéus. So this here is our favorite bakery within walking distance of our house. It's just a block or two away. It's covered with an awning, so even when it's raining like it is today, you can sit outdoors and grab yourself some coffee. We're about to get some breakfast right now, so. Elsie, you look beautiful even with your mask on. You know?
Obrigada, meu amor.
I'm so blessed to have you as my wife.
I'm blessed to have you as my husband. Are you gonna start eating? Because I want to start with you.
Well, then you're gonna just have to wait because my juice is not here.
Okay, I can eat.
Or, because you're so sweet, just go ahead and eat.
I eat slowly anyway, right?
That's right, start.
Okay, thank you.
Start.
So in another video we told a little bit about it. It is a big fruit. It is green, looks more or less like jackfruit, and is very healthy. It improves your immune system and fights against cancer if you have daily basis. The juice and the tea from the leaves, many people was healed from cancer just with this.
Wow.
Very good.
Right.
Powerful.
Graviola, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oi, Elsie. So we're gonna go to Itabuna today in the rain, and we're gonna go shopping. Yay! Shopping in the rain.
Yay.
Why, you don't like shopping?
I don't like rain. I love shopping, but I don't like rainy days. They are so sad.
Right?
And you get wet and you don't want to go walking on the streets. Well,
We'll be just fine. We have not one, but we have two. Two umbrellas.
that's true.
Now, since we're renting a place for the next 12 months, we decided to buy inexpensive furniture. So here we are at a place that makes furniture for you, and by American standards, much cheaper. This guy actually uses solid Brazilian wood. So, you know, Elsie and I have been looking for a desk for the last couple of weeks because we're kind of itching to start working on our computers. Elsie, we're gonna have a desk.
Yay, good.
We can get 2 chairs and we can work side by side.
Great idea. He's long enough, the table.
I think so. In fact, you put it in the right place. You can have a chair on one side, I can have a chair on the other.
Yes. And
we can actually even smooch reaching over the desk.
What's a smooch? I don't know this word yet.
Smooch is... that's smooch.
Okay.
And we bought these matching chairs as well. And this pattern actually matches our sofa set that we bought a week ago from the same guy. So we're going to have a side table that's going to work as our desk. And Elsie and I are going to sit side by side and work with our laptops. And that should be awesome. So and Elsie and I have decided to buy some plants for the house. So here we go. There's the plant shop. That's what I love about Brazil. You got small shops specializing in different things. In this case, you've got a guy selling all kinds of baskets and plants and what have you. Looks kind of cool. Let's see. Oh, Elsie, I like this place. Jasmine flowers. What do you think?
Wow, I saw this plant really huge. I never saw so little. It's called elephant paw.
Okay.
And it becomes huge. The first time I see that little.
See, I would prefer to buy these bigger plants in these pots. House plants. Like, look at these 2 guys. I would love to buy these. Yeah, right? Let's figure out what the prices are on these guys.
What else did you like?
Ask him the price for some of the other bigger plants. Maybe not so expensive. I mean, you pick.
What about this one?
Yeah, I like that.
35.
35 what?
From 600 something to 35.
This is 35 guys?
Yeah.
Sold. How about this one? This big one. This is the same like we had in Greenland that we gave away. And then let's
This can be inside the house.
then we'll take a look at this guy's price too. Right? This is 35 guys. Man, I love plants, and I'm just struggling. This is like, each plant is like $150, $160 US dollars. And they've been in these pots for over 10 years, hence the price. But they're beautiful. Imagine this, 2 blocks from your home, wherever you live, you can walk to a great Lebanese restaurant owned by a Middle Eastern man named Ahmed, who's been in Brazil for the last 35, 40 years. He was a flight attendant, and then he got into the restaurant business after he got married to a Brazilian. His restaurant, which is what you're looking at, serves plates for $3 each, which is 15 Brazilian reais.
And currently the US dollar is 5 to 1, 5 reais to $1. So this cost us $3 each. Plus these juices that you're looking at, freshly squeezed for you in the restaurant when you order them. This is lime and mint, and what I'm drinking here is guava. Absolutely delicious compared to the canned versions. Brazil has many big, large, modern shopping malls and stores and grocery stores and stuff, but we just like going to small, quaint type of places like these, for example.
I am buying a linguiça,
Okay.
and then the breast for me to make a stroganoff, and then he's cutting for me. Não, só isso então. Ela que faz a mortadela. Muito obrigada. O queijo lá também, né? Isso. Valeu.